Tea is more than just a business. It's an art. Art of tasting and grading. Art of blending and sourcing. It's a complex mixture of balancing variety of tastes and aromas combined with getting the right pricing and, more importantly, with food safety and compliance. With years and years of experience, we have almost mastered all the intricacies of this golden brew. Our people are known in the industry for their excellence. We are only as good as them. They come from many different parts of the world, but work with unparalleled commitment and dedication. We call them the tea masters. They taste and grade long batches of different varieties of tea and tisane every day. The teas are personally handpicked by these experts. They taste with a passion and blend with a purpose to make the perfect blend that suits the needs of every client. If tea is drunk anywhere in the world, then most likely we would know what that tea is. With our extensive knowledge on tea, global market trends of demand and supply, and our almost perfect purchasing practices, we are able to fulfill the needs of our customers with precision, ensuring compliance and mitigating the price volatility, and overcome all the other overwhelming obstacles in the supply chain. We are a partner to every tea company. We take care of all your tea and tisane requirements so that you can concentrate on your business, your brand. Our tea experts are surrounded by the right support and other resources to exceed your expectations. We strive to say yes as much as possible because we want to be your total solution. We cover the tea world to bring you the perfect cup of tea, but a good cup of tea alone would not necessarily make good business. A good cup of tea and Rees sure would. Your brand is our business.